I'm going to go ahead and test out and show you guys the Leebein Electric Spin Scrubber. Now the first thing I noticed is how lightweight it is, even with the extended handle attached. It doesn't feel bulky or tiring to use. I don't have to constantly switch arms. Simple to put together. You're just going to attach these two, screw it in. The handle adjustment is perfect because I can reach high tiles and low corners without bending or crouching the entire time. The 8 different brush heads are actually useful. It's not one of those sets where you only ever use one of them. The flat brush will cover big areas fast, and the pointed brush, which I'm using here, is perfect for grout lines, corners. I'm even going to use it on my baseboards here in a second just to show you guys. What I really love this brush for though is if you've got hard water like we do in our area, the soap scum just builds up super fast. I'm talking like in a day's time. Look at this. It gets so bad so quickly, and I'm used to having to scrub it by hand. But what I used instead was this scrubbing brush with my normal cleaning fluid, and I mean, look how bad this is. And I'm going to show you in real time what this will look like when I'm using the brush. So I'm going to go ahead and spray my cleaner on there, start this on one of the higher modes, and I'm using the flat, large brush to cover big area. But the brush, the bristles will go right up to the edge, so I love it. You can actually see the little streaks there. It's going directly up to that edge, and I'm just holding it and letting it do the work for me. So how amazing is that? Now I'm going to keep going all around here. I'm going to show you guys. This basically is just going over and getting rid of that soap scum. I may in some areas have to go over it once or twice, but I'm not having to put in any effort. This scrubber brush is doing it all. I let it charge for the full 4 hours, and it ran for well over 60 minutes. I mean, I did every one of our bathrooms. I'm just going to wipe this clean here without any scrubbing. I'm just going to dry it off just so you guys can see how much this cleaned. To the left, I left the soap scum there so you can see where I stopped. But look at this side. I mean, that's crystal clear. How much cleaner can it possibly get? And just for even more reference to show you guys, look down here, I'm going to show you, see, you can even see where I stopped with the brush mark stopped. Look at that. This thing is amazing.